Hey guys, it's Canadian Pyro. So I just wanted to go through my Christmas display for you guys. It's gonna be a pretty nice one, I think. But before that, one of you guys asked what tape I use, and this is it's that Duck brand Easy Tear paper tape. Um, this is like you can wrap this right around fuses and it won't suffocate them. I find with duct tape it tends to melt right and then it suffocates the fuse. Not that stuff. Anyways, let's get into the display. So got a nice long section of fuse because I'm going to be setting this off at kind of the middle of the river, so I want to get a long ways back from it. So I got a really long fuse going up to a yard dog. This is a single shot with fish. And then we're going to cycle into Epic Thunder. So this is a 7-shot kind of power cake. They're really big shots. And then we're going to tone it down a little bit, step into some fish. And then from the fish tank, we'll go to a 24-shot Aurora, just little comets and whistles. And then a little salute, throwing in some noise in there, to a grape soda. And then when that grape soda is going to cycle over to the Maple Madness, and it's going to set off this little tiny tribute single shot in there as well. And then from the Maple Madness, we cycle through down here to another tribute, and then up to the Seismic Thunder. So another one of those big 7 shots. We get all 3 into display to test out tonight. But anyways, from that Seismic Thunder, we then cycle down. We'll hit another salute shot over to the Busy Bee. And when the Busy Bee is firing, it'll cycle this way, hit another single shot, cycle into Pink Lemonade. And then from Pink Lemonade, it'll cycle over into Splat. And then from Splat, we cycle over to the Tropical Thunder. And then from Tropical Thunder, we will hit Purple Dahlia. This is a mine shot, really nice shell. And then we've got a couple more salutes down here, just throwing some noise. And then we'll hit this finale. So the finale, I'm hoping they won't all fire at one time. They are delayed a little bit, but I think 4 or 5 will probably fire at the same time. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They'll cycle through. And then right at the end of these, or probably during, we're going to get the Galaxy and the Saturn ring, I think. 2 big mystical single shots. And they whistle, I think, at the same time. So yeah, should be a pretty good finale, I think. Some high-paced stuff. But yeah, let's go test it out and see how it works. Guys, we're at the shoot site. Can't really see it. We're in the middle of the river here. House way up there, and our house is way back there. So I'm gonna set this off. Got a really long fuse, and I gotta run all the way back up there, get a nice view for you guys. So here goes. Oh, we're going. Oh, come on, get up. Sorry guys, it's minus 30 out here, Celsius. Oh, is it actually gonna work? Oh, here we go. Uh-oh. Yeah, there's still fire going on down there. I wanted to gap rather than overlap in my fireworks. Yeah, this fuse is inconsistent, guys. Next should be that purple dahlia. Here, hopefully some salutes and then the finale. I don't know why it's working like this. Sorry, guys. All right, guys, just got down the shoot site. Maple Madness did not fire. It was right there. And looks like a couple of single shots didn't fire. So we'll see. Are those fused? No, well, they are. We'll send them like that. Let those off. And then we'll light that Maple Madness.
Yeah, that thing's gonna kick back when person goes.
Maybe. We'll see. Okay, now that Maple Madness. Well, thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.